Today, we will walk you through the steps needed to sign in and view preview notes. Preview notes are available to licensed account owners, default licensed admins, and licensed custom users, giving you a sneak peek of upcoming features and enhancements. Let's start by verifying you have the appropriate license. Sign in to the Zoom web portal at zoom.us. Enter your Zoom account email address and password. From the left side menu, click on Profile. Now, scroll down to the Accounts section. To view preview notes, you must see Licensed as your license type. Now that you've verified your license and role, let's head to the Zoom support site at support.zoom.com. Click Sign in the upper right and use the same credentials you used to sign in to the Zoom web portal. Please note, if you are logged into the Zoom web portal, once you click Sign in on the support site, you will be automatically signed in. Scroll down to the Release Notes section and click View All Release Notes. Then, under the Preview Notes section, click on the desired product or View All Articles. If you cannot see preview notes, ensure you are signed in with the correct account. If you are signed in with the correct account but still having difficulties, try signing out and then signing in again, or try clearing your cache and browser history. If you are still unable to view preview notes, please contact your customer success manager. Thanks for watching.